What is going on, trading world? Usman from Trading LP. It is currently right now Monday around 7:15 in the morning, just getting ready for another day of trading. And in this video, what I'm gonna do in this video, I've seen a lot of other people do it, and I really respect the people that have done this live. I'm gonna try to basically document my day of trading live. I know I did that with a challenge video, but a lot of those trades I had already entered by the time I kind of showed you guys. So with this, it's going to be a bit more live. So, after I'm done with this intro, I'm going to go onto my charts, mark up my zone, see what's going on. Probably one of the signals I'll probably send out to the signal group, the free signal group. But my goal for today, because I have a really busy week coming up this week with, the strategy video coming out, the course, and a couple other things I have going on. I'm going to try to make 3% today. I'm also working on a MFF verification that's very close to finishing, and I really want to try to finish that today, so I don't have to worry about it anymore, okay? If I can make 2.5 to 3% today, I want to be done with the Monday. I don't need to trade for the rest of the week. I can go about my week doing other things. So I'm going to hop onto my computer in a second and see if I can look for some trades. If I'm able to find something good and show it, great. If I take an L, I'm still going to show it. And if I'm not able to do that today, I'm going to continue this video into Tuesday and Wednesday. Hopefully by Wednesday I can be out of the markets. So whenever I'm done with this video, it will be released. And yeah, man, just if you stick around to the video, I'll probably give you my thoughts on why I took the trade. Maybe if I take in some scale-ins, things like that. So yeah, let's see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen. I might lose some money, I might not. But the way I'm going to structure today is I'm going to try not to take more than 1% of a loss. What's going on, everybody? Monday morning, it is roughly around 7:30 a.m. Week after NFP, I'm releasing the course this week. So in starting the video, I had mentioned that I'm going to try to document this week with some live trading, while it's going on and as things transpire. So I don't really like risking too much on a Monday morning. I like to add some risk as we go on during the week because Monday can be a lot of false moves. But if it matches my strategy, I take the trade, okay? So this trade I just took, I also sent it to the signals chat on Telegram, okay? And yeah, we're just going to see what happens, man. In a little bit of a drawdown right now, but that's okay, right? We're just going to power through the drawdown. I mean, if we lose the trade, we lose the trade. It is what it is. I have to take the trades that come up and meet my criteria for my strategy. If it meets my strategy, we take the trade. Same with my students. I tell them, if you think your zone is drawn on correctly and you're confident, take the trade, man, because this is a numbers game. It's a probabilities game. So just going to quickly do a little run through. I'll show you guys my MT4 terminal as well to show you that it's true. I am actually taking the trade. And I'm using social trader tools to connect some of my accounts together. This one that you're seeing here is a verification I'm doing for MFF, but this is also connected to my live FTMO account as well. So reason for my trade, reason for the trade, okay, number one, we are in a downtrend, okay, and I teach this all in my course. I'm also, you're going to see it in the strategy video, but in detail in the course, we're in a pretty much a full downtrend, okay? I don't trade trend lines, but if I did, that would be funny because it looks like we're breaking out of the trend line and we're going down. But anyways, moving down to the lower time frames, I'm gonna just try to ignore the wording there. I've drawn out a supply zone, okay, which I think is a key area for us to continue moving down. We had a very bullish push on the dollar strength index last week with FOMC and NFP, and then we had a big drop on Friday. Just maybe that's kind of the direction that the market wants to move. We had market structure break here, and then on the hourly, I really like this candlestick formation that's happening, and I took the trade based on the fact that we broke the low of the previous hourly candle, okay. Thinking about it now, I should have probably waited for the 2-hour candle to break, but that's fine. It's part of my strategy. So if I lose this trade, I lose this trade, whatever, it is what it is. I'm going to show it anyways. The zone was drawn out, I believe, from the 30-minute area. So we had this big push up into this zone, and we pushed down, broke structure, and we created a new, what I would call a new supply area right here. Okay, structure was broken, all of the structure to the left-hand side. So kind of looking for like a bear flag formation in conjunction with my supply and demand strategy, and my entry criteria meets that strategy. So it is what it is. I'm in the trade. You can see it's going to be behind the camera, but it's USD CHF right there. 7.5 lots, which is 1%. And yeah, this is where we're at. I have another trade running, which I didn't really get a chance to document, but this is the big boy. This is the one that I really want to hit 3% on today, man. That would be a good start to the week. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. You know, we're gonna see if we can catch 1 or 2 good trades for this live video. See what the total amount is gonna be at the end of the video. And if I lose, then I'm human. So it is what it is, man. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, a little bit of update from this morning, guys. So this was the USD CHF trade that I took. I was also in this EG trade. I took profit right down here for a 1-to-1, quick 1% done this morning, and I got out just because I didn't want to risk anymore. It's a Monday morning. You know, if I can get 1% on a Monday morning, that gives me room to play with for the rest, at least for the next day. And at that point, my trade on USD CHF was really going south. We also have news coming out this morning in the next literally 10 minutes. So some interesting stuff was happening here. You know, I was expecting a sharp drop. We pushed all the way back into like really deep into our, like almost hit our stop loss, missed by less than half a pip. But there was some interesting action that happened here, and I took in some scale-ins. I did close those scale-ins because it just looked like there was too much bullish pressure. But I held on to the original position that I had entered, which you guys saw in the start, was the 7.5 lots original position. I'll show you the history. EG, I closed about $968. But yeah, and I opened up 2 trades on AUD CHF small lots. But the main trade, USD CHF, very unfortunate. I told the group to close the trade just because news was coming out, and I don't want people taking, unnecessary losses, with news getting hit and stuff. And so, unfortunately, I told the group to please close the trade, and if they want, they can leave a small position running. I kept all of them. I kept my 1% position running, but I closed the 0.5% scale-ins, even though, man, I got a really interesting setup happen. Okay, YouTube. From the last clip to now, I'm still letting the trade run. Just had to step out and do some stuff. While I was out, I had this zone already drawn out on the 5-minute, and I was able to get in a scale-in entry right there. I might close this trade soon, just the way it's starting to react now. But I was able to get a small position, I think 3 lots, right up in there. Zero drawdown. All right, zero drawdown. So I'm going to see what I'm going to do. I want to try to secure 2 to 3% for today and just call it a day, man. I'm not trying to lose my profits. It's Monday. And that was the whole point of this live trading video, was to get 2-3%. If I could get more, that would have been great. But 2-3%, I mean, that's great for one day, okay? The only thing I wanted to show in this clip was, man, if you have a system that works, okay, if you have a strategy that works, you can get your main entry. And this is what I really go, like what I'm going to teach on Thursday in my free video is going to be enough for you guys to take the bigger trades like this, the first trade, all right? It's going to be enough for that. But, it's going to be great. I'll make 3% perhaps on this big trade, the real entry. But these small entries is what, allows me to really scale my accounts, really do some crazy things. Like last Monday when I did that FTMO challenge in one go, I did stuff like this where I would enter my first position and then just hammer every single scale in opportunity that I got. So quickly was just showing that. I'm going to be actually, for the people that are going to be in the course, I'm going to be putting this example in the course. I'm going to do the whole video right now because it's going to be cool to really show you some live examples where I actually did it. So you'll have some, content to look at to see how you could do it later on in your trading. So This is a great, like, if you can trade and you can find scale-ins and you have a system for scale-ins, that's really when you can go to the next level. So I'm gonna pause the video right here. In the next clip, I think I'm getting ready to close some of these trades out. I just don't want to risk it anymore. So let's see what happens. Okay. All right, YouTube. Quick update. Let's just go into my MT4. This morning made 1% with. Wow. Why is this in the way? Sorry. Made 1% with EG this morning. It's in the history right there. $968. And right now I got a real tough decision to make. Okay. I want to end this day on a good note, and I'm up about 2% for the day. I think I'm going to close this USD CHF trade out. Okay, we're going to close that out. And this way, I've gone ahead and secured almost about 2%, $2,000 for the day. The rest of these trades that are running, in profit for USD, it's AUD CHF, never mind. I'm probably going to let that AUD CHF run a little bit, but if I start going into some in some kind of losses, I'm gonna cut it out, because the whole purpose of today was to trade live, see what I can do. Not a lot of good opportunities today. It's Monday, right after NFP week. And I'm really busy this week, so I just wanted to bang out, a couple of percent just to, start the week off right. I may not get the opportunity to continue trading too much later on in the week. So, if I can get, even if I can get that 2%, which I've already secured, I think that's good enough. So, it was a cool experience trading live on a Monday, out of the blue. Made 2%, $2,000. Now that's only on my MFF account. The one that I was showing openly, right, on taking the trades. I have other funded accounts that are running live that were, I just disconnected them right now from the social traders tool. I'm going to let the USD CHF trade run on those accounts and take some partials probably right now as soon as I end this video. So for this MFF, one account that I showed trading live on, we made 2%, $2,000 today. For my other accounts, I don't know what it's going to be at the end of the day. It could be 2%, could be 4%, 3%. I don't know. Anyways, that's what I wanted to do live, man. Thank you for tuning in to the video. Just wanted to keep it nice and short, show you guys how I trade. The strategy video Thursday is coming out with the full course. So be looking out for that. And yeah, have yourself a good day.